Let's have a look at the G major scale. The major scale we learned earlier, C major, had all natural notes. The G major scale has one sharp, which is the F sharp. Now we already discussed what sharps were. Let's say the third fret on your fourth string is F. We know that because we played that in the C major scale. So if the third fret on the fourth string is F, the fourth fret would be F sharp. If the first fret on the first string is F, the second fret on the first string would be F sharp. The G major scale has all natural notes except for F sharp, and we start on the note G on the sixth string and end on G. Let's try to do ascending and descending for the G major scale one more time. If you're comfortable with the G major scale, you can try doing E minor, which is the relative minor for the G major scale. Just like A minor was the relative minor for C major scale. Now that means that the notes in the E minor scale and the G major scale would be the same, except for E natural minor or E minor, we'd be starting on the note E and ending on E as well. So keeping that in mind, let's look at the E natural minor scale. If you know the E natural minor and are already comfortable playing that, you can start playing the E harmonic minor. We already discussed, for the harmonic minor, we make the seventh note sharp. In this case, the seventh note is D. So instead of playing D on open, we'll just play D sharp on the first fret of the fourth string. You also have D on the third fret of the second string. That can be changed to D sharp as well. So what we end up playing for the E harmonic minor scale is we'll take a look at a few more additional scales in the sessions to come, starting with the D major scale.